Hello guys, today I'll be comparing Notion versus Devonthink 4 and I'll be going through their strengths and weaknesses and what should the ends to know which app is more worth it for you. Notion is a highly flexible all-in-one workspace designed for both individual and team use. Its core strength lies in its ability to combine notes, wikis, tasks, and databases into a single interconnected platform. Users can create a wide variety of pages and databases with customizable views like Kanban boards, calendars, and tables. This makes Notion an excellent tool for project management, team collaboration, and building a public facing knowledge base. However, while it is versatile, its online first nature means that offline access can be limited and its performance can sometimes be sluggish with large complex databases. Devonthink 4, on the other hand, is a powerful document and research management application built for macOS and iOS. It operates as a local proprietary database that is engineered to handle and intelligently organize vast amounts of external information. Its key features include AI-assisted classification, powerful search capabilities, and optical character recognition to make scanned documents searchable. Devonthink is the ideal solution for academics, lawyers, and professionals who need to manage a diverse archive of files, from PDFs and web archives to emails with speed and precision, all while keeping the data source on their local machine. The choice between the two platforms depends on your specific workflow. Notion is the better choice for teams that need a collaborative, centralized workspace for project management, internal documentation, and task tracking. Its flexibility and ease of use makes it perfect for building a shared workspace. Devonthink 4, on the other hand, is a superior choice for a professional who primarily needs to collect, organize, and analyze a large volume of external information for research or archiving. It is a powerful, high performance tool for personal knowledge management that requires less manual organization and is focused on information retrieval and security. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.